If you're a fan of creamy keyboards, here's how 7 of my keyboards sound. This is the Keychron Q2, and you can now get it for $92 off Ash Keeps in my bio. This is my Fecker Galaxy 80 with the new WS palm switches. This one right here is the ACO 5075B Plus. The switches I'm using are Milky Yellow Pros. This is my Leobog High 75 with the Gateron EF Curry switches. This is the keyboard I'm giving away, the Ajaz AK820 with PE foam, tape mod, and Gateron smoothies. This one is the fan favorite, the Ala F75, completely stock. Last up is the ACO PC75B Plus Air with Milky Yellow Pros. Comment down below, out of all these creamy sounding keyboards, which one was your favorite?